Bizarre weather phenomenon startling many on the Wasatch Front.
Yeah, were you one of them? What's called thunder snow, rocking Utahns out of their sleep. Take a listen. Okay, so these videos out of Weber County earlier this morning. Now you decide, were these people unlucky or extremely lucky?
Okay, well, tonight we have team coverage on the winter that keeps on giving. Even more snow expected to sweep in.
Meantime, the snow overnight still impacting northern Utah. ABC4 meteorologist Nate Larson at the base of Big Cottonwood Canyon tonight as high avalanche danger looms in the mountains. But first, Chief Meteorologist Lana Brophy tracking the very latest from the Pinpoint Weather Center tonight. And Alana, I say those people are lucky.
Yeah, thunder snow is lucky. You know that happens. We've got mild conditions on the low levels, and then that cold air aloft moves in. Instability, folks, and we have the chance for more of it. Take a look at Powder Mountain. That snow stake tells quite the story, just shy of 2 feet. Boy, that storm total looking pretty good in the last 24 hours, adding a foot to that. As we look at other high country totals, 27 inches at Brighton, 2 feet at Solitude, Alta at 21, Snowbird in the same arena, and 19 at Beaver Mountain. Another good shot of that thunder snow, this time in Ogden. Watch the flash here. It's going to come on through. Boom, it packs a punch. The potential for thunder snow exists as we head into tomorrow. The general threat for thunderstorms holds on in south central and southeastern Utah with our next winter storm. We are talking about heavy accumulations. This next storm wants to favor different parts of the Utah. As we take a look at our avalanche danger, we know that we love the snowpack for our mountains, but unfortunately it comes with some danger. High avalanche danger spiking for the Wasatch as well as the Bear River Range and the western Uintas. Considerable danger in central Utah today. Moderate on the eastern side of the state. We are going to see it spiking in those other areas as we head through the overnight and into tomorrow. We know that up in the high country, you've got to be extremely careful. Our very own Nate Larson joins us live from the mouth of Big Cottonwood Canyon, and Emily and Glenn are going to send it out to him. Emily, Glenn, this storm's on the way.
Okay. Thank you so much, Alana. Well, strong wind and heavy snowfall have elevated avalanche danger to high along the northern mountain ranges. This morning, UDOT working to mitigate the snow slides in Little Cottonwood Canyon before opening up to traffic. ABC4's Nate Larson is live tracking the latest avalanche conditions, joining us at the base of Big Cottonwood. Nate?
Yeah, Emily, we know that, of course, with all the snow, we know avalanche danger is going to be heightened, but it's difficult for those that want to get out and enjoy the snow, especially those backcountry enthusiasts, those skiers and snowboarders. Now, we know that with all the heightened avalanche danger, we need to pump the brakes just a little bit, let the snowpack settle some. Avalanche danger isn't just high along the upper elevations. Craig said we're seeing some unusual conditions right now.
We've got a snowpack that stretches not only from the mountaintops and through the mid elevations, but down to the valleys as well. And we're starting to see unusual avalanche conditions in our foothills, so literally in our own backyards.
Craig sent us video of a slide in Browns Canyon near Park City that happened at lower elevations on Monday.
An unusually weak snowpack that's been overloaded with dense, heavy snow. Skier in the area remotely triggered it, meaning he triggered it from a distance. So it's a huge red flag to some unusual avalanche conditions.
UDOT posted video of several slides triggered up Hell's Gate in Little Cottonwood Canyon this morning.
We trigger those slides quite frequently to keep them small so we don't have big slides that come out and destroy some of or hit the roadway.
The best advice is to stay off of and out from under steep slopes for now.
Any avalanche that you trigger is going to pack a punch, it's going to boss you around, and it could instantly ruin what is turning out to be an epic season.
And for those that do head out, make sure you have the right avalanche gear.
Be prepared for your own self-rescue. Avalanche transceivers, shovels, probes, perhaps an avalanche airbag. Remember though, avalanche avoidance is the big ticket. If we've got to use this gear, it means the accident's already happened. We've got to avoid the accident.
All right, so with heightened avalanche danger, we know that it's going to stay elevated over the next couple of days. Craig estimates at least at a level 3 or 4, and that means that human-triggered avalanches are likely. Live at the base of, or the mouth of Big Cottonwood Canyon, I'm ABC4's Nate Larson. Back to you.